of a hummingbird I shot in 2010 while in Costa Rica. Typically, I go for photographing things so that they are looking into the image, into the larger space of the image, but at the last moment, this guy turned its head to the left, and then it looked into kind of the end of the image or the wall or whatever you want to call it. Gives it kind of a closed-in feeling, which is not what I usually go for. I like to have them looking into the image. So we call that nose room. So I'm going to give this guy a little bit more nose room. I'm going to click on the crop tool and notice the AI generation bar down here. It turns into generative expand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click and drag this to essentially expand the canvas. It doesn't have data for in there yet, but we're going to generate the data. The AI is going to look at the image and also look at tons of photos, millions of photos that it has in Adobe stock to try to replicate what could have been happening here. And it does recognize that it's some sort of branch, and in some images those branches end, so it replicates the same colors and tones and stuff and continues that branch. It gives you three options here. There's one where it just continues, there's one where it truncates, and here's one where they totally divert. And the color changed a little bit. It picked up some of the color down here. I don't care for that one, so I'm going to delete that one right away. If I were to save this as is, I would have both of these options still, I believe, and that requires space or megabits, so that's why I deleted the third one. If I didn't like either of these, I could generate another round, but I think actually I like, boy, that's a tough call. That kind of ties it to the edge. I like that one there. Another possibility here is to chop that off. I don't know. I'll just keep that as is for now. So that is the generative expand on an image.